Wake up early, hear the sound, footsteps moving on the ground. Everybody's searching for something real, something more. Too many signs try to confuse, tell you what to win or lose, but deep inside you always know which direction you should go. No lie strong enough to stay when the truth finds its way. It's a simple truth we need to see. Life is better when we're free. No more chains on you and me. It's a simple truth. It's a simple truth, no disguise. Open hearts, open eyes, when we stand and realize it's a simple truth. Oh. Politicians talking loud, same old game, same old crowd, while the people try to stand, holding hope in their hands. But music play a different role, heal the mind, protect the soul. When the rhythm touch the street, every heart begin to beat. No wall high enough to block. When the people start to walk, it's a simple truth we need to see. Life is better when we're free. No more chains on you and me. It's a simple truth. It's a simple truth, no disguise. Open arms, open eyes, when we stand and realize it's a simple truth. Oh. One love growing every day, even pain can fade away. Different roads, same sun, when the race is finally run. It's a simple truth, stand strong, singing loud, singing long. When the right feel right from wrong, it's a simple truth. It's a simple truth, plain and clear. Nothing left to fear. If we walk together here, it's a simple truth. Yeah, yeah. Just a simple